mamu nyina chen ya mwakwa abason kodo Badwam TV Badwam so ya se mamu nyina fishi apa afisese ne nyina yete asenkwa ne ahoden ekura yen anopai kase ne brason sa utibie ne etodwa mu bi ya wobetini EPA mpanifo de kosen mu odene emobi ya event organizers drinking sports nom ne ade en sorry dede ye yesremo yemre eno ase ye de sansam no ebeba na meka se wokota malenso a obi ne pick up na akonfo age e de free ne nsam sansam no ene nsem bi na no pay wadaroma me de som Adom kase oba Facebook/Adom TV akase no wo ho Go TV 176 DSTV 280 medin e de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mutie se de nsam ni nchiremu etie Environmental Protection Agency e de atudwa chiremu ekuokuo ene ankrankre ya bronye yebedia ma de besi besie no dede ye de ya yema no emrase omusi free enei ekure womu kọ emiamia wodo no drinking sport no mia ansori nya ombe rewra ho so dede no bro so de amra no ho ne ubedi Adom TV etwaso
ya hunu se enyumakuo bi te se bar drinking bars any lounges no crowd and saying na me hunu se bi wo form na me ka se airport na lounge wo and saying lounges no atiatese wo be bi bebre cantonment East Legon Laboni me ya na ki nim se ho de ye tenabia nko a ye daje ahome ye friend residential enclaves and ne se anwuma we nyina atiatese wo bio esum ahodo nsori dan mu dwumadie nso eka ho bi papa ye bonwom na ye dede na eye si ebesum nyame ana ye sum nanso ye ne de ha afoforo nso so asum wie no eno nso so enye nyamsom makwan emra makwan
Enwechi okade to aso se sisi wo bete wo mrantie agumontene so na efrifia da wahase ahwe miamia wo mu dede no ano eden ya wo bu emra so na emra no atwe wo mu aso
Environmental Protection Agency ye ne mpanifo ya dwene ho se ye beye ne ayefre no rapid response teams all the regions na beye adwuma kese papa e won krankro dua mu ha your compliance and monitoring department Ira Georgia Moako eda no volunteers be kan ho na ya watch penifo a deputy director say we nyina ye involved na yankasa so na ye involved na ya hwese dede yo ebebrase papa
Edipa bi esusu se won ya kronfo age obi ni Toyota car the number ya GS 2525-22 ewo Tamale Ben School of Hygiene na wom di tuo ne si ne so no onje de koye Adom kase etwaso
Yamane bofo echiremu a saakoro no boyisi Watamale ene nanto kwantempon so okuada nwumere bese no nkono ba pa ho sima aduanan enum ochiremu a abrante a ehye no eye ne dia otu kwai eba fie woduru ho no mu ano wofre ne nua ba ma se wombie pono no ema no ebra wotu ka no akowura da mu a ena mrante a wokurokrotuo edituo esi ne so ka che ne se wonsi enafom na isansa na wokuratuo nti wantimi anya ho hwe osifo mpe ena wotu ehye no edwaneye ewo mu se wobi emprade Nenso akobo Tamale aposifo amanie. Yamane bofo echiremu a.
Badwam kase no so na yankwa nsam foforo mu na aban ese pension fund no se wayide a free debt exchange program no emu na eyenhyiamudie ya organized labor Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations Finance Ministry no and the National Security Ministry ne wona eka bi wo mu hyiaye eno mu edibedira baby adri.
Obviously, the issue of exempting pension funds from it is at a cost, and we have committed government and labor, organized labor, to work together to ensure that we find means of plugging a hole that should ensure that we return to the 55% threshold. And I think that we are all committed to, because we know it's important to lead us to a board agreement so that we continue with the success that we have. But really, in the spirit of Christmas and the partnership that we have, we want to thank everybody who participated in this on the way forward. The government has done its part with the SLA. Parliament came through very strongly yesterday over the SLA, and Labour today is also showing an accommodation not only to receive the exemptions, but to also work to make sure that we restore to that sustainability.
National Road Safety Authority and Adenta Motor Transport and Traffic Directorate NTTD aka won ho abomo de afutuo ne kasa e ma hyenkafo ya wo mofa Adenta bri kwantempon no so won mo yese se be ya yenyina ye ho ne bebo ye ho ban afri enkwanhie
nti ya ma ya ba ha ye be sa sensitization ni MTTD for be sa operations wa wonim season ya ebomu afina so bronya aso na enim se mpempi ne duru bronya time na accident bebre esisi say this is the time man for make merry and mo no monsan mo pentem akwa ba fa passengers akwa ba nti ya na ntoboase any driver for no afem nti ya na ehun abehia say road safety for any police ya ba kwan ne so na ya behwe se omo de kwan so jojomra na digima then wa boa ma motimi akwa ba na oyeni ahoro ayete wo ye kwan so no ne nyina to betwa
efutuo ni say driver there papa ne driver wetu efi ufie na wasa kodu fie asundwe mu na wo fifie a wo ba no wakra busuafo wo kire se wo ba enti no e be pese wo driver bia wo drive a make sure speed there ehun hia I mean reduce your speed to the very minimum, reduce the speed na di emra na wo kwan no so wo ya sa na e be boa afen so phone so won se be brace no mo kura phone no so no se ba se wo kura phone now the driver e ma attention no divide from the road na no so no ama accident esi nti niam sa no ye tu omfo so mo nhwe ye na mo nya sa na omutimi en drive enko su bebi omo kona asundwe mbra.
Greater Accra Regional Security Council Regional Minister Henry Cote da won no on in Central kakra bi ehia na adwuma wo mo ye 2022 ni mo nso wadan ho di ache.
Moving some of the scrap dealers or moving the scrap dealers, they have found a place on the Mortuary Road stretch. We are putting ourselves together. We'll allow them to also celebrate the Christmas. And when after that, maybe in the first quarter, we'll engage with the leadership of the scrap dealers. Indeed, during the Agbolbushi exercise, they secured a parcel of land somewhere in the eastern region. We are yet to sit with the leadership to see how far they have gone with the documentation.
Enwechi okadeto aso se ogusuwa wo hwe miame ya wodo a dwade betimi akoso ewo ho nanso aboso kan a wo se wo mo efiri honom ne de empanifo atwentwen so ansa hyehye egu akwa mu ahwe be report ya obetimi ede wo mo akọ.
Effective engagements, broader and wider consultation, which may travel between 1 year to probably 6 years or more. That is why I talked about short, medium, and long term. We'll have that kind of arrangement with them, and then eventually they will leave. But I want to state here and now that there are no intentions whatsoever to go and remove them from Abosoka. It cannot be done. Because you see, like Ajim Kutuku, the stores had already been built for probably over 15 years. So for anybody at Abosoka to move, they will have to move into shops, an area that has properly been planned, because the essence of relocating them is to create an enabling environment for.
Odoma say number 1 traditional council no de atudwa say nebie wo mo ensoso fulani fo so ho e na galam say so wo mo soso so ho enti so obi abonitri mo po so de na sase ma ni pekuo bi eti say dia won se san adwen ko fori bo student che etwa so
Unanchie waya sase so na ya be kase be fa nanchie no ko ya be se oda no wan fa nanchie no mia meto aboba ama therefore no ma ko nanchie ni nyina fi asase be sira mo se wo mo meka ho wo mo meta ya ti wo mo mfa suma se nkoji obia sika no fa na nchie emegu ya asase so no fa mesɛ ya asase ya tomasefo ya yakuyafo ya do ya didi ana nchie ne begu ha wo mo ba wi aduade asɛ no ya ma ho kwan masa ade na enkoso
enwachi wakado to aso se saban anhye na wo mu etu afama gudie wantwe wo maso yi a ebetumre bi oman Ghana agese ye kransuo ene ba oman yi mu
munyina mo wa Ghana ha mo ati se ebirum nenam na mo to mo nsase ne etutu bibi ya frade galamse se ufa kwan so se ukokuma se anase okotakrade a ya tutu amana da ho a nsuo ni nyina aya tete abeto dabi kakra bi no na nsuo kura ya be no se ya kra fira brochire nze ya se nsuo nyina enti mo ba no amo be hwe nsase so no sa de a ya fra de galamse ni de mo nyi bi ma ya sase so da na ya ba ma ya ni aba ho wa asema me kan no
Mampani adodan kwa Akufo-Addo say bibibia no we besi ne kwan se National Cathedral no ma wonsie ne obeye bia na sa ni monyam hye no wode ebe hye nyame ene ne manfo no obeye Adom TV etwaso.
Before I conclude, I want to thank the Presbyterian Church of Ghana for the support it continues to give for the construction of the National Cathedral. Just like Sanballat and Tobias in the days of Nehemiah, there are some who do not share my view on the building of the National Cathedral. I respect their right to differ, but I'm confident in my decision by the vast numbers of enthusiastic supporters of this project whose spiritual dimension is limitless. Upon completion, the National Cathedral will serve not only as our collective thanksgiving to the Almighty for the blessings He has bestowed on our nation, sparing us the ravages of civil war that have bedeviled the histories of virtually all our neighbors and the outbreak of deadly mass epidemics, but also as a rallying point for the entire Christian community of Ghana, which represents 70% plus of the population of our country.
Mainya so na Adom TV Badwam kase no fe ne yemfansi ha yeda mo asepa da mo se bebre ahomachin wasori atie kase no okọ erade mfa nkomra sombie mu maye ne mom so wo mren so ahwe live on Facebook/Adom TV Honorable Bismarck akwesensia enso ejina ne na so den o senata de we dia na hu se ene BBC Kasi yamu akwaba.
Bejo Sofia.
Bia boko.
Nyame ado na nso e.
Oh nyame ado.
Yede nyame ase.
Na
uti so efe pa. Nyame ado mo ho so no ye pa.
Nyame ase.
Wo fa so so ho ye.
Adom ne ese.
Ese se wosomadwo.
Na bed. Asam da no madaka.
O da no madaka ya.
Pressure na no we but yedi nyina ka ho.
Enye be pon mo afei na wa be fie course bia bia.
Bi ne monitor bia ni asem. Obi ada no baby.
Ya ma ahwefo nyina nso afihia pa.
Sa.
Afia nyame ye di ne ye.
Papa.
Ya mrede bia meka se nyame no ni ne ye a na aye wo de no. But se wo hwe ba bia nkrofo bi ye no mo hya afia se. Ya na kefise no mu nyina eneko. Yen kan fa nwa wo so obi oni eda so te ase da bi ba ye kama ne sesu wiase sebi wo mo firim wo mo yare no yen chen wo mo ya dum bi ene me eda so te ase ye me hu nyina fihia pa na nyame ode aba bedu enne de ye 23 December 2022 ya ka da fu anwotwe ne ye de afia ko na wie no ode betwa ura 2023 ama afina ye de na se bro nyanso di nie traffic abakroma no machi
za me catch ni issue mo say na bro nyanam say munye bi
traffic abakroma
for emma kwanwi omma kwanwi afi ne ye du omo kokoro ni akotade
traffic abakroma
ebi awu fie wabusu na munie ye di den obi edi
because ka first naka from Medina to at least much about 25 minutes
I know this
medu and almost 35 minutes because from Legon to Oponglo na traffic room from Ahumachi ya make say from Oponglo to Shiashi na traffic room ena eja me kakra de ko see airport association international hodom ena free national service scheme besna ko secretary akọ Ibrahim Mahama traffic light na se traffic wo
na se ka ukudi na wura
ka ukudi na eja kakra do aba be si ring road central na so anya kakra de aba
kansa na ututo mbeda
traffic room
wa tell me we ni say anu odin traffic na nyumre kra so de
we ya homachi ase na make yo 5:15 asem na make
say ene ye bojaye
yes
omo bobo ne emamu ba ni nyina mu no adroba for ento
yes
boko ni fa na do so over 30 million untime fie nyina mo to mo maye e de ye obi aba ko obi a
sure
that is bibia ye kamade amaye
fashion team so ye kani so ye dani a obefa passenger ne ye etina me ye faster kwa ba ne masa enye nkwa na ye adwuma no
ne ba ku bi e betwa me ho pa eh mo to mo boate eh just America ekro
yeah
ekro ye mo
arewo ti ye besre sashenkafo no mo to mo bo emfa mayen munya abotre enkakra sene mo akrakra mu afri afini fiti asabadu sabe no enye 8 days ya ka na ababenya $1 million enye sa 8 days ya ka na ababenya $1 million because when yan from January to 9 enye 8 days na ababenya ti munya abotre sene mo fe na mo fe kakra enfenko na mo sa fe mra medru asumdwem passenger for so yenya abotre so ne adrawafo ne ametefo enkasa ye sebo ye nipa se ye na obi ye mate obi ye driver se nkyere so ya akoa ono so na dwuma a ono so afato no so obeye no se wa anye sa dwuma na bi akamenu mi kebeka fie ketima medru ye dwuma tiese fa kasade obuo ene fere ye be ma oni pa bi e hye na asfasa asbia no e ma hyenkafo ene ametefo passenger for so drivers ko speed ma de brosom ya colleague passenger kan ya to enu so de gu so ye semwada o pentemu a mepacho uba na sefo e wo ho fe no ene ye nyina ba bia load onko a na driver no enko na driver ne ye pentem na ma ye late o so nyina so nim so ye late
na onim so o pentem so so no me ensa ti boko no wadu mo me ento ye bo
me boss be ka say e ko libi na no so ope wa head dan ya wonye bi no ko East Lagos
aya se bo de bi se o no target na nya ho
e ti ka se ma head ya me nya bi
dan de wo ho
na o sika ne ndu a bi
santi
e ti ya fa brebre sa e ko e fa emra se na di bronya fia
oh me de bia me bronya
okay
oh me de every day
okay
ade patch me bia
yeah
me okay
sure
mo akoko awia tetene na ebronyo and every day enkura we mo omo hu bibia bibia
yes
na ye time kwasi akoko nkwan ne ya say spare ne wo bronya space bi ene ye sauce ye so ne ye girls 4
okay
be man wa mantem nti sata girls 4 nti enketwa no mienu me so me ne me sister pen ye nyina sha atare baako na tu no so mo so sha atare baako na ya say ye socks bi na lazy gu so na ye shoe bi mirror shoe bi e ma ne de yi ani ya say ye na ye ko say na no e wo ayi south north no mo te north oh my dear and na wudi bronyo because na ye hu omo ne ade nti afene so a ye nyina oh ya tade ye wo sa me ko kuma say ye picture no wo ho na me hwe na me say wow ye ni fa ye bi o
na wusi bronya duada
eno ne de he
bronya dua ye ko sa ebre ene ade bebo apata na boys akwa kwashim
yeah but me de me da na chesa afia so a ya se bronya tade a ye de e ko ye na na mo ho no eno kwa na me okay enti enafo e de omo de bia ye bronya mo
ena akoko na e normal ena akoko na e normal
omo bra akoko na
yes ena akoko na e normal
edu bronya
na bisa first no mo no to ndwa no mo nya akoko ni bi na ento ana asa de
na bi ni ekipi for bronya o bi enya na akoko a ye
enyi so be kwako to mo se
first na force no so na ye de ya nye
ya fie de
no enti wo no wo de na ye target for end of year nti anu na ye eyi nti mo me wi asi asesa
bronya pa na ye say
ene sa biscuit no round
o de se be go isemu a
se wa wie wo wa wie mo fa spirit ne samre biem famre biem
na ko na bu akoko na bu
biscuit so different
aba
eno omo wie na sa biscuit ye ti bi cry ye ne toto ye
nsa Owie ba ko ase ya no.
Nti no owie ne kakra. Oh, na bronya na ede.
Ye mo bibia so afishia pa biem.
Please entire be flowers.
Yes.
Na ne ye koi sa mpaboa no so se we ya no ba ba.
Eh no awro ade egu.
Yes, occasionally. If you come back because you be no ase.
Oko afishia pa nso.
Ti nyame ya dum ne ye bie school a. Ni access sauce na ko school.
Oh, the go school. First week na. If you mama ya je no am mo de gugu adakam.
Sa. Ti se mo kwa so bi mo a no wa sa.
No sa. Oh. Bronya pa na na emu ayembrese.
Yeah. Go for obi aye di.
Oh.
Bronya. So bo sa ni anu aduane ne de asoma ye ne de agu basket. Ne de akoda next house.
No bi so di bia ba be hia.
Oh. Enti wo twen so obedi obi aduane. Sa mi say why you used to. Wo fie de on here na me dos wunya. Ti wo pese okokoje the next house de no mu so de aba enne yenya sa na wo koche obi ade mpa yo bebu agu so ma ka sa me sorry na ti mi de ade che me hwe ansa na ma che so bebu mpa ya agu so na me say
because e ka the area mo team no said that be 35 no one mu a mu ye sure say nwane be 35 e bom fio
so do de
fufuo wom mutuo ne abenkwan wom anankate enkrakra ensu wom ubenya rice and stew ubenya jollof
stew de na doso
ubenya different ne suo na ba me so ye bi
na sa basket na we de de kwani de lazy
wa na koto
ene ni ho na fo wo so bi kwani sa afia so de ko mo bi
na first the free be August oba no na ata ehunu mo twempra no
ade ho no
masefo no masemba no no omtade ko serve omo boyfriend no na ma no di anim na odewia no eko
de binima sa afia so e tete ni ale na wo awo bia boyfriend awanyini me kai se na yesusu no bia na mete if you run ne ba ne kete wa free sta man kwa ne din no pemasem makayo na mi sapa but me kai sa asem ni de bia na no brother bi Mr. Brand, your friend Bra Kofi. Me na no suma me.
Okay.
Oh, obesuma me akom. Because me ba na me kra, o chemiska. And o mam tofi. Me o ha na me kai sa asem na. You see, hey, so you dey starting.
Oh, me dey.
Obesuma me say because me nkan chiro bia.
Me kuma say sunshine.
My di na me ba.
Sunshine na sab to me. If you are not me ma me nua ne kunu etim. Se bro nya drusi a na me free man pon ba kuma se. Ma be di kakra ho no mu a. Abaya bi se ne atwe mpro se ye de yo kofa ne maame mo nu aye na staircase ne ba ye wo no ye two your left your right se get ne far left maame so far right it odi aduane be si o mi wura isara ko yismu ba maame ne gina aduane wa maso de ko bankasa
sada no wanyi
bankasa ba nyire wai
no nyire ye no bi no aduane bro
ni be tire be se de ye atwe mpro se ye de
yo se ne na ge na nyini sin ba na woni idea
ofa ya bankasa ti anwumrem ko bunsu omo da echi ana ba me ne se akosiniam ya men kan tro pa da sa ma me o so ofa dwan bankasa besro
ana na oni dia moye
besro ofa dwan no bankasa mo bia tra de baby
mwani na ho
no bia asu no eti bro ye dia yes kakra bia obia fa chobi
Enfanche.
Na afiye yi sa do enfri etim se obi be che ade a sese o de akoye suman bi ene bibi that mentality ese akoye bibi no de aguso eti na o de eba be chem na esimesi ampa de oba be chem ade sabre ayede yemfa akoma pa endodo ye ho na yenkire odo bronyai na nyefe emfa eme kwasi ada so eye da chi birthday
ono ye 25th.
Oh, okay. Dache hini ye. Dache na.
Oh, any dache na na ya wasante lai.
Happy birthday in advance. To say
because kwesi ada ni eni ha.
Kwesi ada ni ha.
Tie mogumu ma.
Ye bogumu ma sabre.
Tina say oni Yesu.
Ena ye wo mo a.
Wo mo. Ko no ye eni party biem. Onti mini nya menyepe. Ose de momo na ba benim ni momo no yeti mo da chi na ba momo na ba no sreba da Sunday and birthday Sunday etie ni host
Sunday etie ni
ahwefo no be
yes Sunday etie ni host sreba da mo nya na doye isa se ne birthday ni esi Yesu awoda na ti sane enyansafo me yesa hu si yawo agenkwa bi ye kwakwa na ayede eme de adehwam ekosra Yesu di bi kosra star na ase ene tiriwu no yɛmfa bi srasra da kyehye ba ne de ndie ebia no wa nhia nte ne wa nhia na bombo you bet bi ahia no
wo ne number no o se fato hwe o mba ha wa adwun nti da che wo de achire
wa
ye bepa ba bi dia to no mo sende na echino nso ye na ato ata birthday
okay
engineer
yeah
na ato ata
okay
nti local government na ho ne de local government service
yeah
boss na ato ata engineer happy birthday in advance
na say my happy birthday
nyame nhyira nyame nye okese wo hwe na mfie no na wo hwe no body a nyame ne di ne ye too much
sure
ti ye dobo na ma na sa ne mfante na ya na ede ti na nyame nhyira pa wate afise se na abroso nyama na abroso na se so ne gu ye nso ye wa akire no so sa nyame nhyira
we ni passe we ni passe
na niam ekoso wo ye nim ha wo
yeah Adom 106.3 FM. Jason Sem carols.
Omudia ni carols. By a mini.
A mini, yes.
That's the word.
Nice one is a woodru out him say corporate pa. And that form him or him.
Yeah. Advent voice is event, you know. SDF any harmonious Kora so ti choral music na de na ebesum ti se wo twam ana wo fie na asa wo ye lesbians ya we ye nchebra ye nim ha ya ai na ne ye medanya miase na nyame wa ye bebre di amaye enye de wo die na wa nya nti na nyame ne wa ni obi ansore ne enne obi ansore ti se wa sorry a ye de nwumto ye sheki ye hunum saa nu kwa nyame kra ototro na waye homodwe ohun so obi ani asode ye waye no manyame so tirimu nya ne danye ye nkwa na de bi obi mfrezi ye na afia space na na afia uti na afia na kwese na top na afia na
eti ye nhwe ne nyame aye ediama na ye na nyakopon asekwiku ade mfa the finder da bokata da bokata odo abadwa so nsem no ento aso emfama the finder in Ose Parliament passes Appropriation Bill 2022. Ofori ata exempt pension fund from debt exchange program. Eti afedie nanka etuate na aban mefo chibo mbeti e waban exchange program na woye no. Nse ni nyina abere wi esi asade na mo pese aban yi free mu e ye mo pension fund no. So mo ntina no mo de bo brada ache na aban enyi emfemframpa aban etie manura emhyemdi e course anwumre be se nomiesa Minister of Finance na ban etie amwoyi eho no e de efremu 2171 crashed to death in 11 months. It represents a reduction of 18.2%. Let's say yes. Na so nye say de peno. But enye say na ye peno. Yenko so emwa na so ente emra from. Na if you will kenka be komrubo say enkran de crashes no and the doors. You know be sound say ye odua carry ewo enkran ade na cars na bigu so pimpim sa ojunwa onti ase the finder and do we ba na anopay daily analyst and so enie we will pursue Ahmed Swale's killers Akufo assures media at GJA dinner night enti Ahmed Swale ye ni paboni fo bije ni kwafiri ni sem wo medina enkrapompini mantema pani Akufo na ehebo wa abra Ghana sentwefo ehyemde kese e wo Kampiski na yekeka yesa no kakra to yesa de frama panima pade asmo de to dwa yese sa de pa body for edi sa amimsem no abampan for na police ko so atom so de kopem se ye be kire wo mum GJ's maiden dinner night records huge success. KGL Group boss inspires GJ to continue upholding its quality leadership. EPA to tighten enforcement against noise pollution and kanka and sorry na more residential area no. Esremu ada. So na be de no amana bo akobro so a to afide no bi fa show dem se na be ya de no MPA manu kotuatu amanfo asum. Sports ahodo yam be kekam babon mayi mu speakers esi abonten. Yesi ya kanchem se esremu ada. Untimi enti de ne so a jai enwom no ebo na EPA penfo eba moba. Daily analyst and so dear enonom Supreme newspaper and so enie Director General Edmund Adbo calls for vigilance moderation as Ghanaians celebrate festivities. It is Eddie Bronyei na New Year eba beka ho Easter and so ye nim April no nad wo pani eso na ebo ye kokko enka ka gya hye beba ye fie ene empotem ni ade se ye hwe ni ye na yan tete ne je se na be ya eba ne kobro so na ene so nkofa asem kese bia emre yen impact your people with your position nana adepa amponsa ye bo atas traditional rulers nana enso ena eka they say Sunyani resident stealing chippings meant for road construction. Hey, Ghana. Ebeye. Ya beti ase. Na when they catch chippings na bakai, Ghana Highway Authority asema da madina atomic overhead no. Sa na de na sensen ka akwan no. So bi na abetutu. Se we na wi about him say enye we na we afia nipa dasani e na hyeda pa kwa kututu. Minim no de kwa akoye. Ti besere mo ada. Pai tax I would be brave or quite so. Yes, Tokro na ekese. Na wo mu twa ne kese so kakra nti esremo se benfomo ni enchiro na mo hwe na se wo fra metum amofantum ms na be ya tax na papa no kwane so no ano betimi abrase. Report accurately on economic challenges recovery effort akufado to journalists. Enti mapena na adodan akufado so ene sa kokoboi ekode amagana ensemtrefo say yes I no kwesa onye abo mamni ne so ye kasa ye ka no kra na ewom no me ko han ni me nkama ne kobro se bi Ghana ase ejuri egu ni pram can makers welcome ruling on boundary dispute okay say omonsem no so and it is supreme newspaper tevia
but we knew who demand to but daily guide the is good for oil takes off.
Yes.
And no so who astam aba. And you can beige bank.
Yeah.
See you no so yenya 7 witness one so akojina dakemo edi wo ho adanse. Di do omusu nim fa ho no daily guide bokrata en so de buy. Enti me ba adomonline.com so akufuado mahama esiedun ketia meet at Kwesi Boches funeral. Nti ho photos ni na ba adomonline.com eno so beba akwaye oyi mpasere Nigeria ni basket marathon so ose Nigeria wariye no omo ajaye one Nigeria 12 years omaye bi nti omo anenim de asie wo mu nti omo se ose yenya omo private ade aha omo ana omate omo ho ase agree so omo ma no behwe omo kama at omo amie no ne de omo ntimi stay together as couples nti omo so e de omo ate
omo asumdwe ba de
sa no wa ye mpe
yes.
Brother Jamfi withdraws seats against Pablo after Mohammed's intervention. Enti eno so no se broja de.
Yeah.
Sa na be siara. Enti uba ensamfufro mu so Alenwin makes massive donation to Kumasi Central Prisons. Eno so humfoni so e wa ha na hwe. Data bank customers threatening to bend down company.
Yes.
Maybe edro no.
No intina ma emse company penny for the abasage me for internet fi no monye adwuma fan free.
Na de aye no one we bi mu adwuna sesa.
Threatening no e ya dos no so dodo. There be a man for bone to the man face camera, a man face camera.
Kofo, nada na sika no way.
I say, Mokrata no me no mo say, almost say mo kwa say that financial stability fund na abayat no mo timi be sort out customers are omuntimi nya abotre entwen process na aban e dey.
I say into me because you can da for a purpose. Nti say some oba ho say yi ana no de anything.
Yeah.
Ya ye ni bi tikakra na ye crown na se no so be hodi on ha.
But ye be so yes sika de da bi kan e moja e de ni brand nam but say okwakotwaja to obi office.
Na ye hye de asasa.
O hye say usika say o hye say usika ne hye na say me gidi say usika no pe e de ya de.
Ti boko e de ya be bi e we nso de e de ansa beka.
Oh yeah.
Data bank ne de e de we nye eyi ni bia.
Usika kem na ye be se omo nso ne oso omo ye ne ntem bia nso ma manfo akoma to omo ye bia so omo nye
na communication so nye
enkoso yes
omo hu de ekọ ene omo nkasa wo hye bonso anu adi so me sa me de me pe bo sha o afie kira me ma o say na ama maybe 1 month 2 months ahan sa nipa no ye to ya hye dada ayi enu news ayi atimota mechanics ni bi prince no omo di nkomo say some konkobo busia bi free banks and individuals bi a wan hwa afa no you bedi bronya be no antimi antua
sure
nti won pene ho asem kakra no wo no manage ne sa nti sa bia no
the best say mosum no mo nkoso ai kasa mo tede ma ase say like a fear ka no nipa de say odi ne ka na ma ne tes makodru say kosi onya komato yam say at least nipa no kra me friend kra wo fa ba me ke bi obe friend obi amfa obefa also ke me throw back and no on friend biem ebeja no ahomete but ehie ne de yesere moda monyim free emwa Emfa fa so bia.
Yes. Double kanaba.
Emfa fa so bia. Yeah. Why?
Nyamishra ye wi.
Ye ni idea.
Ti ye de aka no to so agudie mu nsem baba na so unim se squad no so. Emoji ni PSC ni Sister Sunday jo metal na hwan.
Akosinsi aso.
Ah, so wo de ogire mu dada. Me de news na me de beba mu. De aka me kwoto so anim ho. Me kosa me hutin fifra na akwatena esi mu kakra. Sa na be. Ti do obi ase me na ba konso na nati wa. Ono so Sunday ye di ne birthday. Na nati wa nim ne birthday onim ye no. To de papa bi na yesusu di enti me aso afamani so. Tina nati wa bia wo hwe ye nyame hirawo abrewa ahomachi ko no ote ho no hwe bedwam teso hwe Adom TV na kosi se ade asan abrewa pese oda tina na nso nyame enkoso hirawo mfi a wadie erade na mfa bi nkan ho na apo no miemie mu ne fa ja fa hwe ne wo kasa de no wa na nati wa dwaben to enese wa je ne fans a o PSC obi a na ona na tina na ya chia o ya da senso
ba beso mfa fishi apa so koma me ankasa mo ofa openi boache yeah, frames open ikram was antimampo. Okay. Me mame antiajewa ene antiamponsa. Okay. Akata sly and so michiemu nyina mamu nyina afishiapa. Nyame hira
ko pese. No wo fie.
Oh me kofi, afi, ya fi me kofi.
Say be break you.
Yes, afi nshem di omampo. Ankasa. Anwamo festival ewo ho. Okay. Ena asas na na info so eye nshem di kakra. Asantimampo MC so ebeshia boys so
Simone ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwumadi so ne de bronya de 18 asa ja wo hye no so mam se ne nko no be de be nika e be hwam anti ka cha busuafo na afofo yere ma wo fasefo nananam ukunu mu ne ompunafo nyina se wala asgene mu a ye de nkomo no 18 asa ba hye no so mam se nwuma koni ye miensa 1x bet have always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the intasima we chen so twan befu a ana odini befu and it means bet with money that you can afford to lose ikayira enyo ya no eno ana di twa bet 1x bet adama ene ebo esenya mo financial freedom eboa emasika sem ekoyi bronye 1x bet ana eboa pomodin ada je fast mixture set me kebe no so betia aboa infections netete gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so dipo a edo eboa prapra wakrawa no mna bo ho ma atimi di nchiniche koeba shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mo so pe je fast mixture eno ne edo ebetia aboa emaniama etian to yedi ama sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye campaign ya odi for pampa so be pem wona se do itu asisi hom ebo amaniama 822 yedi ma modern ada so betia kwotema shaman me market nso nya na ho utu akoton anasa utu bi dia ye ho a obetia from 0208219129 na oni sedimo gel and roll-on yentwetwe nkomo yenhwe mwa emaniama 822 yi fama we modama ana omote kira abo me ne no pensu dia wo kensi unsempa ensa cancel 8 jaw a journey of 1000 kilometers begins from very first step pensa MFF Carabao Cup matches out with Fensa Tuja Manchester City 8 match Liverpool for twome couple polemiensa Liverpool etikano emienu boni akoma hwesene ne Mexico nti na chese ne epie mu El Carabao Cup no enso eno no but EMFA ni nchire fie ne komra hye bedwam dia na se member of parliament for Zaliba constituency ura ni tini Clestos Avozo enso den kakra timi asa bana Clestos avokan koma odi abanyina ne se nanu adampani ampa hwesene ne Mexico so a Honorable Adams fi ni odibiaze constituency bibisa World Cup nkomo ampani ampa minister enso e de World Cup no kakra kai ne tiansa ba se eno so ebiti sa hwe kire aboma ne matia cross ni nyina no edwumadi a omudi a womo antimi ama Blasters of Ghana players ne sika winning bonuses ne mum wesenema esi course qualification bonus nti Ghana yentian transfer FIFA stage na nkone de nti bonus afa mo bia discom de ba de be fu botoma na eno ana Honorable Clestos Avoka ede nkomo kakra tiansa ba se sika ya aban ensa kan keso timi hwe ne de boa ne de renovate the various stadiums no nti World Cup ne kai ne ya ankai na no yan fa renovate infrastructure e okruma.
Now that we have come back, the legacy is that we should develop our national stadium. At least every regional capital must have a standard playing football field. We were at the Accra Sports Stadium last Saturday, 17th of December, when the NDC had their national congress. The Accra Sports Stadium has become a national disgrace, with the greatest respect and apology. Accra Sports Stadium, Ohenijan Sports Stadium, has become an apology. Now invaded by musicians and then religious persons and the rest of them, and a national asset like Accra Sports Stadium at the heart of the country. that we cannot play football, they cannot play a match, we cannot host anybody there. What is our country? We are talking about nationalism. What is nationalism without having a national sports stadium? Baba Yara go to Kumasi. It's an apology of a stadium. Mr. Minister, the money that we have had from the World Cup, use that to develop the stadium. Use that money to develop the stadium. And let every region, at least the 10 original regions, have a sports stadium befitting the name of the country as a star footballing nation of Africa and the world. Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the Minister again and to thank the players. They did their best, but our best was not enough to salvage us. I'm confident that in the near future we will improve by way of preparation, by way of commitment, hard work, and discipline.
Nti Honorable Cletus Avoka ana otene council de nkomo 18 seja edefa sesa kae e World Cup ni ne ba yina no yemfa innovative sports stadium na fe deputy minority leader of parliament Honorable Afenyo Markins enso as a blaster performance na wakata na de na anwene se pa nya se bibia safa ho kra na anwene se na nya nika e wo sana hyehyɛ disi ko enim.
Our boys appeared disorganized and the Uruguay match with great expectation. They conceded 1 goal and again they were disorganized. So, Mr. Speaker, again, I'm not a football fan. I'm not an expert in the area of football. But these observations are very profound and clearly tells you that in our daily lives, how we go about things. Somebody may be sick and will be thinking about the sickness, and that will take him to his grave. Even medication will not work. Somebody may be sick, very serious ailment, but because the person has somebody psyching him how to manage the situation, that in itself is healing. And to me, that is where I think our boys did not get. Was it their fault? It couldn't have been their fault. So, Honorable Minister of Sports, Honorable Minister for Youth and Sports, please, going forward, a psychologist, a professional one who understands his work and the nature of football and an important game like that must be properly engaged to support. And Mr. Speaker, saying this to football, I will say it to us as parliamentarians. We sit here, we don't have communication specialists advising us what to say and what not to say. We don't have psychologists managing our exploits in public service. I spoke to Honorable Ahmed 2 days back, and he told me that when you meet former MPs, you get disappointed. Who is managing us? The stress we go through, the depression, our expectation. How do we get ourselves managed? Mr. Speaker, the time has come for psychologists to be properly placed in society. The time has come for us to appreciate the work of psychologists for all spheres of life.
Nti Honorable Afenyo Markins senso na atene council no so de nkomo 18 atudwa ni na efa the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana so munya psychologist ebetia saboa ema ohaw bi ebepie mo campo a omgidi passe san hihye no psychologist ebetia boa maniama etia to yi e amom na yesa kom no former chairman for Kumasi Asano Okwanei oba eye rugby for akachi a ono na chairman a oboa ema niama etia kwede ma din ene Herbert Kwadwampon Samensa ono so de nkomo kakra ba na asemo kan nyina se Ghana Football Association 20 friends GF no omo eton sa dia fa coach omo fa coach e company to betia boa e ma Ghana dan koma bia no ye di crew abakruma.
I see some people within the FA saying we didn't choose the right coach or he was the wrong coach. But you chose the coach. What was the criteria? What were you hoping? What was the background experience? What was the CV? What is exactly that you want to achieve? And there are others who are saying, oh, it is okay, we will try again next time. You see, so all three responses in terms of where you're going are peculiar to me. I really hope at some point we get an FA that sets the bar, the target so high, that like countries like Saudi and Iran, like Morocco, with a wonderful local coach. He was a great local coach. What he had done achieved that we died. You could see the players had bought into it, who understood modern football. And I was watching him the other day on a Zoom conference call where Ateta was taking it from Arsenal, analyzing a rare victory for Arsenal over Man City. And he was learning, his student of the game. And I think that I really hope at some point that we do get an FA who says, not what Ghana was in the past, but we now want to be better and higher than Morocco. We need to have the transparency so that people don't make the accusations of third-party interest. They don't make accusations. Whether they're true or whether they're false, the critical issue is that we don't have them. Then we actually decide that, is the quality of coach that we choose good enough to coach Morocco or Egypt or Tunisia or any of the countries? If the question is yes, then you know that you're on the right track.
Nti Herbert Kodwan Ponsa mense ne ohwe na chiri kwan dia tim Samparai bi ho ana owa obo adwuma pa dia boama eno so atuasa koye but yes antin tom biu e wo the Black Galaxies of Ghana omo na nen kan from say local blaster team no ene ya to mu din foforo am from say the Black Galaxies of Ghana omo akenzi kesi be friend say Chan we African Nations Championship na sa akensi no emranti a enkwa brochiri da nkwa na timi ginam ekon kodenden na be say infie kakra ni ne Ghana nyade itimi ekobi afedi a qualify ehwe nim sinyame adoma ye be ko Chan akensi ne ehya se January 13th na fe omo ede akogu February bosum nim na nya akopiem se me no kasai emranti na international friendly games bi ometia sambo na boa na kwareda wo se be betia sambo ema omo kopiem o Chan akensi ma nyama etia koye dia mom Ghana Football Association twenty friends GFA omo mpanyimfo an hyehyɛ se nyame adoma omo de emranti ne be ko karu enne ne kine ya omo ebu marketing asesa omo kuku eni omo kaka akopiemu ewo Cairo na from dem sese ne etia kwatentam so Ghana group no group C na yani Sudan for the same group yani Morocco for the same group ana fe yani Madagascar for the same group into team Sampa Kensi no emu be yere sen ne aba kokra no na coach a okita team no coach Anowoka wode nkomo hakraja efa the Black Galaxies of Ghana ho
nyame nim se mekaje se ehun bi abomia meboa me feel say Algeria ye kono ye kona yenso ya kochire bibi chiriswa ye di cap no beba Ghana. I'm not worried much. And when I say mistakes nkitin I say me correct na fi echina kono medi hu adwuma ndi me ni problem too much. Me minim say me bo me hu bonding me nkogu mani mu ase definitely minim say near Fatano, Mayor Ashe Ghana for any.
And see the Black Galaxies of Ghana head coach Dini Henry Anowoka and our tenant castle didn't come 18 years so muhu kra but I know some Morocco for ya home or more an defending champions best and playing best immunity and almost a cyber competition and Chebia and no any animal paying for a coach on Bobre Africa na or work up against Cassie to 2 Jaw Kata and 2 teams Sampa or Kunkun or seconds Cassie between us to Jelim. But in few and funny 18th century and Kraufum dia next a former and as a former Black Stars a team doctor, a friend Dr. Adam Baba or on a Ghana Football Association. Ye can't doctors in a more medical committee on native as a chairman. Our ho on also then come ha cried to Saba if team doctors no muju media air mudi Edema national teams.
Omonim Sabia, if a pitch is undulating, if a pitch is rough, we are not, but we don't have enough pitches, so they just make do with what's available. But it tells on us, who shall at least from our local league. Most of the injuries, I don't know the percentage because it's been a long time since we did some work on it. But the predominant injuries are ankle injuries.
Ankle injuries?
Yes.
More data of injuries in our Premier League?
In our Premier League, it's been a long time because we don't have any funding for data collection.
More requested for such a thing to be done.
Years back. Years back, yes. Maybe years back, and the response we got was not encouraging.
Into Matiada.
Yeah, never.
Oh, dog. I'm going to say,
because
we need to have data. We need to have data.
No, it's very important.
Yeah.
But our setup, we have other things that we need to do other than
importance is data.
That's what maybe.
Okay.
Yes.
Priorities also same.
Priority, yeah, exactly. Okay. Because it involves a lot. Ebia, it's money. And if you make a budget for the league has no, they are sponsors. GFA doesn't make budgets for clubs. Until we are as a committee, the first time we did the work was in the 2000 and something, and it was very difficult to get people to collect how do you call it, samples for you, interview players for you during a game.
So see, you
now follow to work with me. So call a tamale. I actually has now my form okwa your transportation, accommodation, any. It's easier said than done. It's not easy.
Yeah.
Says Sebia, to collect the data, it would have been perfect.
But if I could be my football say
yes, that's very good. Another is a fact that will let our it will even inform club owners.
Yeah.
To tell you that look, your players are getting injured because of this pitch. And some pitch now, it will be.
And see Dr. Adam Baba, and a former Black Stars medical team doctor, and I'll tell council didn't come 8 years after see any data of injuries, 8 years but or say injuries are a pain Pierre Ghana former a ankle injury or here 981 my ana a mutai praho pani and say Yagofman and yet I say atete a pro and yadia ebwa emanyama etian kuye and then my players are on beso musia bobo any omoswa edo mpenyi fieswa omde bo no eyo modwuma ekuma we suna mijina na media nenson komo no etmesi one expert I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the intasma we chase utwa before udini before utwa kuma bia udini kuma sai anomanum omode adasa on sabeti aka 1x bet utwa na watwa ni yepa busuan de japade beja obeti akoto na de akuguso na mo bet with money that you can afford to lose. Now, face to fast mixture infections, netted gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white fever, and so deep, a droibois, a tuasia, a proper chikra, a fast mixture, wherever shops, and pharmaceutical shops in the Mosabitian cabinet, Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampa sugar pimonasino, a 2 hours pain, and bois and pomodon some 8 major kunkun. Obitian friend was 020 821 9129. Na on a Sedimo gel and roll on phone paying for you komo so to be a cotton and as I would tell you hono a beboa amaniama etian quid amount we madama anene yadi brunya dear and so 8 fence abreo within the inner quesi walanyo walas a good catch back open and of course evidence based presentations majao rather enter animal on your case only if you bend the swing found could be so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Name assist Sandy Akwaba Shonkoba Badwam Jumedi so and Christmas edition special. Na makacho say emoji wa ha say ba no me so onum kokom prep because akonya no so hyepe but waya nti no kofian pede wo hwe de obechurch na de but asana emoji betina say amamene omo maka atwetwe nkomo no me bra kwesi wa ha say ba pen ba to na apo me
boko na nso e
nyame adom ho ayefo 2 piece one pa ma o
Habis Kuto yeah owo.
Wow, that's nice. They say it's Legon.
Yes.
You be kwa pam na. Say me birthday one chama dey, you be anything.
Me pa chom sidi nyina be share Xmas ni.
We ni bunya
Xmas dey so start free and na ko si
Etwem
1st January 2023.
Mate.
Eti ebrewu.
Me no so talam. Eti any we see over to you na we are there.
But so colors ni so ekoye pa.
Yeah vibe. Eti pa show back so mami.
But me da sister Sunday bi Gabriel say ye bedi apomde enso eho enkomo yakacho se esmasi erema bebre ena ewum ema no ewie peyo ema no eye kama so bedi esmas na mana e kama ye pa Adom TV and also timi do afide ne eto na hwe ebre ne bre nyina eti ye ne anyotofo edi enkomo ye ne wona eka bi ewum edi enkomo ne ye hwe apomde se ne be ya bronyai ye nkodidi mane kobroso ye nkodi mane kofo yade bi ema nempo ekosan ye benya adura yebetimi ere abo ye ho eba me Joy Industries for ewo hanom Peter Dogo ye chemist ya ofre Joy Herbal Industries for akache abeka yensa da bia am say asema ye ka vehicle 20 ye edu papa ehosem and say Peter Vishapa.
Yeah, I don't need the vehicle 20.
Okay.
Miss me didn't Peter Donyo.
Especially expensive.
Vehicle 20 dear obia nim da.
Okay.
Fitimra edrone yede buy a little over 2 years near vehicle buy. Adom bedwam haya na yede buy. Na Ghana for so mu ye papa na me no kase. Survey ayaye yewo nipa o maye survey no yenso as industry nenso ayebi o nyina confirm say ebibidro aye immune system support drug se sia ye to na ye nom organ hapa no dro vehicle 20.
Okay.
Very very efficacious.
Okay.
And a vehicle 20 no enye yare ba ko na esa enu nti na agidi o USA fanamba bia uko UK, Germany, Australia, Holland, Italy. Bebia, everybody just talking about a drove vehicle 20. Okay. Because Juma Edino, Nipa Ebro Omadreno Omontias, so. But as a chemist, your boy develop a drone dear, minim Juma.
Okay.
Yeah, dear Droya ba. Ama Obia Eduma dance. Now, vehicle no, a coni pedrenima, a boost to the immune system.
Okay.
Now, you should be to be. You should immune system, and I say, my immune system. You see, the complex network of cells and proteins. You see, so these cells and proteins, they defend your body and they defend my body as well against infections.
Okay.
Infection, it's bacterial infections, fungal infections, protozoa infections, RNA type of viruses, example COVID.
Okay.
Or DNA type of viruses, example HIV.
That's a bit was here. And one no one the pedrema
yes. Pathogens.
Okay.
Disease causing organisms.
Okay.
There is so responsibility of your immune system to overcome them.
Okay.
So the moment I mean it and as your immune system be weak, no, then they have a field day in your life and then they'll cut you off. They are responsible for taking us out of this world.
Okay.
The BNO. There were 4 major types of yare: hereditary, and as a genetical,
okay,
physiological, and infectious, and nutritional.
Okay.
Near a young humpa because nutritional crana, baby, we are some develop ukono. Your entire that deficiency no man be brave. You say, Sabi, you won't have a DD at the other, it's entire hygiene. Near hygiene, papa, infectious diseases. The immune system responsibility of fight will overcome the pathogens.
Okay.
But a tom beer growth, any other factors be environmental. And my immunity and I say immune system na holding a eba form sana bacteria ba obedi usunkunim, fungi ba obedi sunkunim. Yare bia ba obedi usunkunu na afi no abo wato ho. Eno na Joy Herbal Center. Yeah, drove vehicle 20 dear mouse. The moment I drove vehicle 20 ni peno. Na I say, car na engine I weak no. It has we overhaul and as I was engine no. The vehicle be ma immune system na holding for with me quantia say yaremu nyina e dia ma.
It will be our onum vehicle 20.
Yeah.
Bro nye bi enya hotoso say yaremu awo a ewo ni pedwemu a edu ni pedwa so konim no. Vehicle 20 kwa kwahye soja fo ni muma.
Excellent.
No matimi akode etia.
Excellent. Enti eba ne sa yare bebre won say enti no nipa wanu ma bro vehicle 20 da no. O se me num ye no me BP no anomalize.
Okay.
Me num ye no me se che yare no anomalize. Me num ye no me prostate being inflammation, enlargement and I say cancer of it no.
Yeah.
I normal.
Okay.
Me num ye no me UTI, urinary tract infections. Obi o ha kakra na Johnson de no. Kakana Johnson no oko Johnson so bank kitin pre.
So pure.
Yes, obi so ho Johnson de no kura na e ma oba chima. Hey. What you say? Me no me drove vehicle 20. Na you okay. Esa ne say vehicle no won. Say wonum vehicle 20 apart from say a immune system support drug no. Esa contain a lot of phytochemicals.
Okay.
E be a saponins. E be a triterpenes.
Yes, your science.
Phytochemicals, me fan say, inura ye nyefri inremu.
Okay.
Say organic.
Yeah.
Nyamidua, Kaya senegalensis, mahogany, magnifera indica. Yeah, ajadirata indica. These are tropical plants. Proper extraction. Na ye concentrate on nyina na the formulate edro vehicle 20. Impo ni taste no, the taste of vehicle 20. Me no ka say ebibi memu Africa vehicle kita different unique taste. Once ebibi dro bia wo that alkaloid taste.
Yeah.
Ye ka alkaloid organic base. Eduachi na ye nyon no.
Yeah.
Once ebibi dro bia wo bi. Once ntino onuma obo say wonyinya wanimu eden kakra. But you have formulated vehicle with a lot of probiotic substance. You have fermented be a man unique taste. Onuma edawenum boko.
Okay, that's
it will be at minimum vehicle.
It will unquotisa and you know that
Dabi vehicle. Every create me be a socrano.
Yeah.
Aroma no cry.
Eba no cry different.
Yes. One vehicle.
Okay.
Na meno ka say boga fo aba. Na meno orders are on my year. So far you nya over 300 cartons order.
Wow.
From
aboga for na
aboga from omo ya to omo
okay,
omo de beko. But like it shouldn't come to us direct.
Okay.
Nam patche no.
Yeah.
Obia person onya wo ya nchen.
Yeah.
No, uko drugstore bia, pharmacy shop, herbal shop bia, you can buy vehicle from that outlet no. Oba Health Embassy. Yes, help Joy FM anymore. Health Embassy. What my be order ho. Inte who here so but the thing say near free and chain na
yeah.
But me no ka say as a chemist no, you can never mimic and as want me enye a do vehicle 20 free yakache. Joy Herbal Center Kofodua akodum densu super ne betma a formulate a drawway.
Okay.
Wo ye why want me formulate vehicle?
Eti a drawway ye need the fake e wa abonti.
Never. Enti boga for no enye ye nkwan ye ho na obetma ye order.
Okay.
Obetma ye oba bia wo call Repash Ventures, drugstore, pharmacy shop, herbal shop. U say wo de won gin the crowd Bra Health Embassy.
Yeah.
Ubenya bi. Wo call Tesano police station ye wo Lordy Herbal. Uko Hachua, you Fina Heba, Uko Ablek Makefa, you KS Royal, Bebia Gana, Bebia, no, even look, me and Casano, me chinka kra.
Okay.
Me real program say me chinka kra. What me say me chia, drugstore be to say where the sakra na unya vehicle mkrano, ubenya drove vehicle 20 eden, ewumu. Ento bia nkono nkotobi. Aha, especially broche for no, enye enkwai ho, but my order obebia, na vehicle no say ne no no.
Okay.
Weigh 15 mil. Anopa me no mu yenti na be no mu ha no. Ha nti uba no mu emiensa.
Show.
Anopa. Eno ni
50 sa miensa. Okay.
No wanya 45 mil. Anopa 45 awia na 45 anwumre. Ni ama no mu yi energy ni ahode e be ma me no enya ahode nketua.
Ba woni die ya ma.
Yeah.
Ma yai kakra. En kantidi nim se yesi ebibidro de yesi yensusu. Eno asa o ma to anso ana se bonso ara besa na wo sa ya grong dem wa wo kwa ano
emfaso a yenya as a bibi man e education mu no the free SHS no faso ni bi no.
Okay.
Emfaso a yenya no
okay.
From education is say first nye ye dro no ye any calculation, titration, both qualitative and quantitative analysis ye.
Okay.
But no ka say dro vehicle 20 science se kuku da my working on it until they be say both qualitative and quantitative analysis is done on vehicle 20.
Okay.
So the efficacious nature of it depend on the calculation na bibia na ya ye no. Enti e ko mu a se na say ye adwuma no. Ye pepe calculation bibia ya ye.
Se ma bie pharmacy shop me pe bie aguma number be na me frɛ.
Obet my friend me e was 0244 876 321
0244
876 321 and 0244 585 531. Me say sister Sandy twɛn. Ba me bobo yare so quick ma.
About 30 seconds.
Good. Say wonu ma drove vehicle 20 a wonu stroke to kwanta wa pai.
Wow.
Wonu ma drove vehicle 20 a so wonu mu wonka halitosis wonu to kwanta wa pai.
Okay.
Wonu ma drove vehicle 20 a oba wo menstrual pain any menstrual disorders bia no oba onya ne menses twice in a month as quick as possible no infections.
Okay.
It will not vehicle 20. Be clear infections ni na. You will Neisseria gonorrhea and as a gonococcus bacteria. Ekleno. You will Treponema pallidum bacteria. Jaya syphilis. Ekleno. You will chlamydia bacteria. Ekleno. And an attack high in your mabe brain trash infection. Candida albicans mwa. Or baby o depo biano. Pacho unmadro vehicle 20. But as one said yare ni bebre but twaswa. Enti vehicle no ye nto yare ba kudi ansa na ya no. Unum yare bia wo mu bia no because it to ase immune booster. Immune system support drug.
Yare bia wo di
numbers ni bia me 0244 876 321 0244 876 321 and 0244 585 531.
Mera say your period as a password your brain actually enkomo ene anopenti joy herbal for and I'm to say no more AD eko I count say I cut 3 days not joy in the park jumedi no edru honum me so pe take it be ato dial star 713 star 003 hash star 713 star 003 hash a 100 Ghana cedis na etimi Asia Joy FM Joy in the Park Party jumedi no you tell you way next Sunday be a guy and to us about
Christmas edition special meeting the sister Sunday. I'm the guy's queen. Then when a guy for me no mu chema Twitter my boys in the building me catch am say nya ho work ese pa we fi say na nya ono nko Abante bi on pen ho asem so de no ho ayden atare ho style baby straight up emoji akwaba
yeah
anya so we guest we host what you say ejuma no waje
yeah you wedi to know
yeah so by na pamo meeting we akwaba
nya bia mako de
me pa cho nya
aso ho ya febi sa no
oh kan sa na so ya nya me bone bo kakra because nya me adom me da sipi maso mpay so we be say why you medidie so when I hear Jumadi.
Oh, that's one. Ashafo ni baby Ashe bia from the emoji music. We Adom TV bedroom. My sister Sandy be a guy konwa na from Monday recording there unhuni biom. Mia ayasemo.
Ade.
Nyame ne hene.
Amen.
Etine so meka no. Mia na tse magic konwa na tena. Come on media. Wa say Ziano, mena me host. Na me pena me media yeti. Obi adi atosu. Wow. Welcome again to bedroom. Your friend emoji. Yeah. Me wo me nya bi wa say oh. Ye kan pa ko ye guy just said. Temafonya no ye guy pa oh. Just say sakode pomba. Or ye guy. As here. He rose up from nowhere from the streets. Wow, say ground up. Sisiano, or one of the top artists in Ghana. And I meet the pastor and the meaning be din komo our bedroom. Me aka say bia madam for. We see Arthur. Charlie, and say I see
oh yeah, you share chepa.
So Tony there boshos near there.
Oh, Benedin.
Yeah, no why there. Bonya ka boshe me kenya badu.
Oh, you also say me jika crowd, but you be ben so.
Who's that? Na asha season na kwase.
Oh, ekoye pa. Me chia ashefo ni na. Ekoye ya drop album. Like a drop album Son of Jacob.
Okay.
I say I finish as here no any drop here. And
Son of Jacob plus me we say social media no. As of France no mo dwa. Just say omo twenya say album never out. Make up do baby no me dwa. Say then na we say that here because for do me try want na even dia say na che say yeah be call club omo sorry omo be call club no was you say ni there. Oh sister Sandy be a guy bomb be call club omo we dey here soloku ni ade no mutumi and say atwen ade but then I make it album no.
I mean see Son of Jacob no not me started say me hu ejuma from 2020.
Okay.
And COVID happened and na I say and my intimate movie around sir and at 20 me science losing my grandmother me nana free mu in 2020 may so rest in perfect peace and so in 2021 we put it all together and 2022 April yeje muma nkrofono so
how's the album doing this year?
Oh, it's been great, it's been amazing so far. I say drop it and na reaction like both ways cause enkofu ebi na ebi mu say oh you drop it ya check like yeah, drop it and like we took a while to make it, put it together.
With the caliber of artist you are, no dear, you are an A-class artist.
Thank you.
No production, no videos, no videos, no.
Yeah.
Just a demo for. So Tiana, more comedy at Chesana.
Yeah.
And now you're higher, kakra.
Yeah.
It would be best throw. Say what the new name by ya for brand term. So now yeah, look we see at us. We want to 2 years on to say 2023. I be room saying me sure say project be higher by here. Oh now watch the shot, but no that bad on internet. Say yeah, the Badwam in Sano. Hey, I'm more Badwam in Sano. No, sister Sandy be all be so the no. Yeah. Oh, continue your slow. Yeah, papa.
Oh yeah, the baba.
Nah, yeah, album yeah has more. Yes. Yeah, cause album me tea. To be very honest. O album no emu eda kasa.
That's no.
O tie production no, o tie enjum na. Just say me o say Jim baby ana ya Jim come to 12 no. Okay. Come to 6.
Yeah.
Come to 6 body I'm for body blink or saying for come to 6.
Body blink.
Yeah. SOS.
Oh okay.
There's a gym over there.
Oh okay.
So what about what you talk about?
It talks about like just taking decisions for yourself, listening to yourself and taking your own decisions and like finding your own heaven, you know, on earth. You feel me? Deep. So obian in heaven.
That's deep.
Say obi in heaven they say wako club no pop champagne. Obi in heaven they say on any busian for one Sunday omo chilling omo ofufu bi omudi. So yeah, it just talks about everyone's kind of heaven. Yeah, and my type of heaven is like just winning with my brothers.
Right.
Basically, yeah. Nice. So Nirvana.
I must confess, my spirit of teamwork, you know. Yeah. This year
Yeah.
So I like that thing about you, pa.
Yeah, thank you.
I admire it, and I mean that now.
Yeah.
That's the rest of according to Kakra.
Oh, yeah, football.
It's a Nawakata Sunana.
Oh, that be. It's a vibe. Yeah.
Hey, guy. The jam so. Neti the next service we rasta isuja. Me ni sebe je mu ano. Yeah, wo nyum no.
Yes.
Wo no sa Adom TV de. Yeah, de ni etie. Ona ye hwe. Pass here. Enti no mesraw. They say be born nyum no ama wahwe bi. Na wetie. Enti no bebia obia o de for handkerchief bi san. Yes, one can secret to heaven. We wow heaven. And would the end say what the any Bible and no of heaven. Also the any beer bottle no of what the any so a coffee the so a antino. Pato my video na yeah fire. Me come a Ghana phone you as a phone yet say there's a treasure in you that we have to cherish.
Wow.
Thank you.
I'm not saying this to flatter you.
Yeah.
Me a musician. Me to a gospel.
Chella too.
Nice.
Yeah, so people more mobile Afro Chella and like watch out. If you don't get your tickets, make sure you get it and like pull up.
Yeah. Nice.
You are such a vibe. And what you one thing about Guy Racing is on Penny wants them. I'm seeing you for the first time.
Always finances is under pressure.
That's right.
Because who making sure say now we here last year no you have to outdo
up the game.
Ti hono na na ma pressure bem kakra o sisi na ma bo koso ne ade no o offer service provider bia o buy say o the price me ji say on ji ameko because on say ono bitumi aye adwuma na ma.
Say say ni na is kasem kudi no. Oh chale sponsorship kwa issue.
Oh.
Nyezo.
Corporate for you.
By the way, I'm proud that this school. What can I say?
Oh, this school for the
to school and I'm on the spot.
On the spot?
That's right.
Adi Sadel on the hill, vel primis, vel pum primis. I'm a mater of great men, Santa Claus, yes. Oh, hill at disco. We shall never be beaten. We shall always bear the palm. But we are told you that. Okokumaka. Obika so kokumaka.
I said, "Mo, also me ho near Baptist school. To me mo kumaka no. Time na me mo ho no. Near to Baptist hymn now as anthem. But now we are black cocoa we. Say black cocoa we na nsia. Me say some to pulo ase lo atelwa and no na me wo ho na ento nti anthem na koye 2 nti say pan de say
yes ya ma me melody bi da 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 tiaso
mata de melike ne pan man no da akoma na iba watch me pan because na to die kuma ko de mo fan chame because some na to baptism now
just school just around there
no be entertainment Bampadu wie for Sampadu kai anko ma so na me hwe me kai baptist him bi but em Sampadu mu time na different
yeah different
Sampadu wie 89 you know milike the pan mata di my mother come and patrol family care 0243 224809 0243 224809 milike or pama dear pa Christmas pressure nim and man will be disappointed for come milike na what top in patrol na your friend
we me now a Prince collection
what amana
owosu
that's right once what dress fine
ben
unia ni ampedu ampa won fa nche ye o oba adwuma chen so ko event bi ase
so fun o
bi you ampedu and I sure say Louis Vuitton is Zara we hu no
ai we miem
kasafi na enwum na me say me de no me pese metie kaka na me na wato ha say
no problem
wow emoji praise medley yanko dumbi enye izo
oh yeah
enko for papa me afi by this time last year na me pray for my life papa
covid
that be covid mama akwa ababim eba Badwam Jumedie so Christmas edition special me dey this Sunday na ma hofa me dey milike garments or da koma no no e na adwudwa e dia mame menga hoho kese bi pan wa ha se bansa me call mo so no me sa ka me sister panyi PC Esther o say Jumedie na odi won kan no akoba ne se odi bi okumase bonye kumase ne edi no o PC Esther Jumedie ne ho na odi aduro na mo so wa packing in yama say oko oseikro in fact we are joining Mozumi entertain gomo hi sister Penny Pacho good morning
Sandy good morning
hey what na you say wow
ba no pay what fa ho ankasa
hey se me nua no eja me sue kaka
what o da so birthday mood nim
straight up sister straight up na me ho say wa packing in yama say oko kumase in fact what do you say krom dada
me was a crow in fact she was a crow on
yeah hope you crow my fo
what was the monya the feeling feeling so great
me that say feeling a bum yeah na me pa show Jumedie ne da ben anka so why me Kumase concert no pa show da ben
ya duma eye kwasia da ebe ye
oh wow
eye chile memene kwasia ye
25th
so Church of Pentecost Bantama
wow
asori dem
wow
yeah
ho de ye be ko pa because ho so ufi wa na wo you assembly so na wa dwuma asori pa memorial Bantama praise be honom enti no sale na mama direction straight virtual omombra na
great
ai na me pacho ticket ni sign for Kumasi show no
esa no pacho be that a single 40 Ghana cedi
oh okay
and a double 70 Ghana cedi and a VIP no 100 Ghana cedi
okay na me pacho Kumasi fa no benga bi ato
me pacho e bi wo poku trading e bi e wo Angel FM
okay
e bi wo Bra FM
okay
but me so ato online say ofa phone na what dial *725 *2828 hash no send it to say the o to o ye momo no
that's right
the on na *725 *2828 hash
okay
na was so toma will be and I say opesa toma ho said the upebia no procedure no wa betumi afa that all take it na and I said day na program na nkasa no the Bantama ho na gate one ankasa so no e ho so ubenya bi ato e wo ha
okay tani akwa de na mega na explode wow no sana Kumase so ebeye ana ebe chan we de fie ni fie wo ko fie o ebe chan ana
me say entina maka said the by Kumase nyina me say o say krom enkranfo ye ma ne ye lika eye ho up till now enipa da so ka ho asem enti me manfo ana se me krom fo say ya me ya duma kwasi adai yenye man entran kana for de no so
hallelujah
because na kuma se for so me jo mu di pa me di kuma odi because they say akwa ti say nkran ni kuma se ye hwe no be tire yo na me ti te o se from for kuma nkran for bi ti o
na ya bien esa
nkran for the top on nkran for net ya you bo radem pa ye say because ye onam ni tumi so na de wo ye no obaye de chance a e de ahye ne ho yam iti kwese da we enye kuma se for nko ako because enkrafo no bebre kura nsaba
teen appear within Valentine sales and marketing manager Letitia Owusu sales executive Dennis Edu Jeche within the fanasa bra how feel a fam and I have shame what I say but I need just some more bomb kwa wane say video ya we share why me location here La Palm mebwa ba mo say who bring you pa why shows back to but first of all then kwa na ma nkofo choose mo na mo from one mo na ba from location for shows no
me da Sandra mechia ahwefo nyina
yasom
na ye din yam ahwefo nyina so afinsia pakese pa say ye nyina se de nim no ye free bi covid ba okay, industry back where affect you was the hospitality industry, hotels in particular. Yeti anye La Palm for yahochiri kakra. Nti after COVID no, unfortunately so in Ghana for ya bi ba COVID obi twa nkura mpa ambe so bebe no. Yeti anye ye koji COVID for kakra bi. E bre how be pray even after COVID. Nyame andom nti after COVID ne ye say ye niam be bre be ba manfo hu say La Palm munim no dada no sa ne da so tie.
That's right.
Until we share from last year for instance. We have activities that started last year pa December and I see any so say o Ghana had ya December draw e say dim back pen about him.
La Palm.
Until nyame adaroma last year and last year ye pije mu pa ba ye ka kire ho say this year ye be ye de chen last year. Nti o hwe last year me bobo last year de no so kakra bi a last year ye Afrochella oho ye Kim Promise R2Bs and friends it was back to back ye na wo se sa ne ma na foforo so de ne ma egu ho La Palm nyame adom ye ka hotel men ka senkran hanko Ghana ha de o ka hotel ye ka se ye ka outdoor space for events hotel bi ani ho a e wo space
garden is very serene neat
and na unya hotel bi aso e wo space to sell La Palm or tepo ano
breeze no
ye unique nti no di obenya o La Palm no unya o ba bia
okay
nti o hwe Christmas dodo na activity started this week ye de ye ne bia no ye bia no last week Friday
okay
ye nua ba Jackie obi afiti last year they say ni fie ba ko ene La Palm ye started last week Friday oba La Palm eno so na enya agro so ba bia Jackie so de ne papa nti se munim no e wo moja
na shampoo nti eja
nti eko ye pa there were other artists that they passed through was very nice and ye to aso free ho na no ko de ya Ghana has say wontimi mo musician bi adin a onfa blacko enka ho
ba me te shock say oye wo ho me wan pa o because na mo design mana mo ye the whole ade ni na
ani December ko me say ye ni BBNZ La Palm
okay
akabum ihu say nipa dodo na after last year ni ihu say nipa dodo na e pese o meye o program so La Palm ne doso na La Palm so de nyame adom space de amaye
okay
nti ni ihu say space ba kwa ye events wo ho no na foforo bi so wo ho na any BBNZ for Cambo.
Wow.
Oba ho siesia SARS new one ye for casino loan. La Palm ye casino ho la casino na cheaper na eno wo. Siesia de se me hahamani a apart from La Palm ye wo swimming pool so pa the whole Ghana ha no. You say me ka outdoor space unique cabana swimming pool wo bia mu a jacuzzi si animu. La Palm pen will be Ghana.
O say me try weekend bi because the obo so die vibe.
La Palm pe.
Wow.
Obi a obegima chinye bi apa. Onfa na ninche La Palm ne na de omehwe keke. Na se de yesi aye niema no so. Nka obi a nka se de wo niema dance no ko a obi ani bi no nka ye nima bo be koso ye sante so nti said now come black asemi last Wednesday ya etwa mi so ba la pa ma be hu say yasesam
I feel need to say abroche, you know, and I was surprised to know say La Palma
in fact say ohwe wo YouTube say see and I unka say La Palma
the vibe different
different cry yeah kire say Ghana had yes say December do a ehia say obetena obufu na akwenta die hia no so be hu say La Palma na yeso okoko hwe de ekoso
it is a Adom TV wa ado ya mutu make say La Palma ado ya
no
money guys
no phone graduate starting tagging on hashtag December in La Palma.
It's the perfect Ghanaian Christmas. Sister Let, we are very beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. Yeah, my lining up a whole lot of programs.
That's right.
The perfect Ghanaian Christmas. What do you mean, perfect Ghanaian Christmas?
I feel we in a dream say kono Ghanaian way no. Wow. Titi style. Into wo ba ye old chemo La Palm crabon see si bronye dua wo. Nye tree no te said yeah no Christmas tree no.
There's a bronya pata.
Bronya pata. Apata ya bronya pata no.
Wow.
Yes, sisi wo baby Inti ya kasa perfect Ghanaian Christmas eno ano no bibi ye bronya nyina ye Ghanaian way. Ye ko ye tete. Inti wo shed Sunday Sunday which is 25th.
Most of my year biu anymore. I miss you.
Aye.
See it was Sunday no.
Aye.
Okay.
But Friday say festive theme night. And only say in Numri 250 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Continental restaurant when you
Bedidi.
Ne chese obe me yan bro so.
Me say mama 100, mama discount. Me
live band also because we pool area
the vibe.
Aye. Na Sunday so ye dey atoa so bronya way chese e no nso sa ye Ghanaian village restaurant 350 cedis Ghanaian nnuane bebre continental ho so ba e no nso sa nnuane ne buso enti ne ye ka se perfect Ghanaian Christmas e no ano afi we ye kono Ghanaian we bronya enti ye nka na bayo ye ka ne bronya ai bronya first Sunday say bronya first
na by then is me ho Afafa City about to be Black Show Rantown Nigeria for some more church shows. I hope Rantown only. As all more Ghana, more church shows.
Yo, me chama ya chefo. We musa say programs no boboa na boboba. Na yenu Nigeria for no e kama say afi no enema e sheda entito ni ye enfa mo. We share Rantown program yi say na enra na yinya nti say due to
also the
flight
so you bala pan we ba benje
flight issues you know when to be do on my but all the same no you to so say
Ghana for the
ejinemu de and even the agro
nti ma menka kakra bi so ne de ne so
nka ye pon an sa tell ma ye find out
no dey see book o
it can come from friend number no crack for more details
but me bonity tie bi enne dey am no ka say can promise you can't promise
land no
promise land na you can say land no okti promise land bia La Palm so
hono you this year that's nice
last year so La Palm if you know could be La Palm
so no more abotala
ye na na fiabo nti o hwe promise land so say wa enura see Wednesday say Blackwood ye minimum artist organ how wamba
it's on my top
one sa akodi ejina so na omo ye countryside La Palm na form and neso so nim second promise ye tema abusuya ko second promise ye na ebeye den na sa akode emba ebeye den na how to weeks emba
mo nyina wase
me sopa wa me yenkwa abra yenka ma me dokono program na say
fan day ma mo number na mo amonye de o frem ko say na mo say
me second back second can we am yaro ha second 1 second or say 1 second say you can ma me joko by the fireside
okay
26 Easter Monday.
Okay.
Yeah, family fun days. Fun days. I say crampo. Mama doctor by the fireside ni bi La Palm. Yeah, man crowd. A boy for 400 Ghana cedis.
I see no patcho. Obetimi a friend number na all shows bia. Mama doctor ni jinem Promised Land jem a whole lot of programs line up all La Palm. Timpacho ho very serene aduane so abusimo nko na fa number no da ase na from na afi onye omtwetwe nko sister Dete bye Dennis I don't know Badwam Jumedi now her bring edition special na fi dwa de kwa no ye bebo bring apata awo ye nim ha ya me pese wontimi me join ye kwa twa feeling no fi he o TV so sanse Badwam de e kwa ni me bra penye wa ha kwa sinsia de linka akwasinsia aka fahu kime hey wo judi wa mantra so fahu kime edisi aboka Abishapa I think it's your very first Christmas with Badwam.
Yeah.
Wow.
In fact with with multimedia today.
So now what sampa?
Yeah. My first Christmas with Badwam.
Is it only edin say so now about
my first Christmas with Sister Sandy be a guy.
Straight up. And Pedu dey ever say the yewa broche nti no nam no tasting nuane saa na we can go baby. I was bringing mudi hook here with studio ha say.
Xmas say. Anope ankasa. Ade am kwando here. Beans ya garinka ho.
Any redfish.
Redfish.
I'm doing a chair. Ko che me benkule bi wa chiri ha.
Yes. And I say chicken wings and fried yam.
One wa ba o. One wa ba pa o.
Idea. We kwando anope.
Wow.
And to be honest, by hook or crook, said you enemy anyway. Or sim di back one side.
By hook or crook, book front or yeah, quite could this type be. And see, yeah, my fish up to your phone now. One more almost supporting Badwam Jumedi. Or more money at Nasa from January basis. I will go out on Chimney TV no crampon a day in free channel. To the loyal fans, to the loyal viewers, official pack your gifts be mama and can boxing day. Badwam Jumedi we are so. Now on Chaman Pon
Which has Santiman Ponfona. Xmas CD, Mampo Rupa.
Sure, any ya cram, ya fire try 20 acre.